Hey Jimmy, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for taking my call today and for requesting this free video. So today I'm going to show you a few tricks or tips that you can start applying today to enhance your online performance and get more of those organic leads. So it appears that your website on Foursquare is no longer live, and I have not been able to find any other form of website for you. Um, so this is your Google My Business page. Um, Google My Business and social media make up about 30% of those organic leads that are calling you for your services. So this section is really important and it's highly competitive. And you want to be in the top three for every single service area you have and those relative keywords. It's great that you are in here for Clayton, but if you're servicing Raleigh or any other areas, it's really important that you optimize this so that you can get in that top three. Again, because 30% are going to come here and won't go any further. And if you're not, you're giving all of those customers to your competition in an industry where rarely do you have to sell your service because it's emergency based. It's even more important that you're easily found and that they can just call you and you can go perform that service. Um, so part of being in the top three is something called citations, which is the name of your business, your address and phone number, and website, and having those listed in a variety of places like Yellow Pages, Facebook, Yelp, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc. And you need a lot more of those than your top competitors. Now, the other 70% of your organic leads are actually coming through your website. So, not having a website, you're missing out considerably on the leads that are going to your competitors. Right now, Carolina Water Damage is one of your top competitors for your service areas. This is their website. They have a nice looking website. See, they got some interlinking with their keywords, which is good. Um, Water demonstration. So they're utilizing their keywords for their service areas, which is critical. Um, and as you can see here, they have a location page for every single one of their service areas that have search volume. So this is really, really important. You need to have a website that has separate pages for every individual service you offer, plus for each service area that you service that has any type of volume. So pretty much the rule of thumb to rank a website, it is all about content and keyword strategy. Um, Content is key, so it's really critical that you have a lot of content and you have more content than your top competitors. Google wants to see a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words on your homepage. Um, which breaks down to roughly 150 words for every keyword you're trying to target. And that content needs to be focused around your local buyer intent keywords. Those are going to be the keywords people are actively searching in their community for the service that they're needing. They might not know your business name, but they know, hey, my basement's flooded and I need help right now. And so those are the type of keyword strategy that you need to go after. Google doesn't rank based on appearance. They have crawlers that are little robots that go and index every single one of these pages, pulling the content and keywords to be able to put you in front of your customers. So if you don't have a website, you don't have the keywords, you're missing out on tons of traffic, tons of customers. Um, this is a program we use called Ahrefs. It helps us to analyze how a website performs. And right here you can see that Carolina Water Damage has a 27 for their domain rating, which is their entire website rating, um, which is 100% because of their referring domains and backlinks. They have over 1,000 backlinks. So in order to beat these guys, in addition to content, you have to have more backlinks. That means more authoritative, better quality, and more in quantity as well. Because they have a ton of pages, they're being indexed for over 1,100 keywords, and they're seeing over 1,100 people to their site per month. So that just shows you the thousands that are available that could be coming to your website if you had one. And then the last thing I want to talk about real quick are backlinks. What a backlink actually is, it's when one website links to your website and then drives traffic to that website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant this website is right here that's linking to your website, the more power and the more authority Google is going to give you, and the higher is going to rank you. But it is important that these not are that are not only authoritative, but are do follow backlinks, and that you are linking them to the keywords you're trying to rank for. They all go hand in hand together, and those do follow backlinks will actually share the power of these high ranking sites and help boost you faster in the rankings. And if you follow all these tips that I've provided you today, you could have a website ranking on the first page of Google for all of your service areas and keywords. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you found this helpful and educational. The video was intended to be helpful, so I would love to hear some feedback and let what you thought of this video. And if you do need help building out that website and working on this strategy to get those leads, go ahead and give us a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to hearing from you soon.